Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high, on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high, on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every blade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gang.
Yo, 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 good morning, good morning. What's up, what's up? How's it going? How's everybody doing, man? What a drop-off. What a drop-off last night. But let's see what's going on. See, we got the gap fill up here. We going to go fill that gap? That's the question. Are we gonna fill the gap today? We came down, we swept this low over here. On NASDAQ, we did sweep this low right here. So could that be where we're coming up from now? Came down, took out this low over here, and we've been coming up. I have a level down here at 23,904.50 that we still have not taken out yet, but let's see if we're going to take it out or continue on up today. So that'd be something to watch for. Got this big old 30-minute fair value gap bullish. We're kind of sitting inside of right now. See if we're gonna bounce up from there. Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? What's going on? Good morning, good morning. What up, Jackie? Good morning. How's it going? Noah said, are we buying or selling? We'll have to see. It's inside of a bullish fair value gap right now. So, I mean, longs don't look bad. Looks like you got a little bit of resistance, kind of this area here. Bouncing up from this 30-minute fair value gap. It's a bullish fair value gap, so it comes down, taps into it, kind of reacts to the upside. If it closes below there, I think we're coming down. But for right now, it's a bullish fair value gap, so it should bounce from there and continue on up. Maybe even all the way up to this gap fill up here, 658. We opened up with a huge gap down last night. See, we closed on Friday over here at 24,658, and then we opened up on Sunday night way down here, and then started dropping. We took out this 24,239 level, came down a bit more, and then been reversing to the upside from there. So let's see. It's starting to look like it's wanting to close above this little resistance it's been having. Been resisting, bouncing from there, down, 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 in between, ping ponging in between here. So if we get a close above here, we might just continue on up. But look, on this 1 minute here, looks really choppy right now. Really choppy on the 1 minute. 5 minute. I mean, starting to break out of this little resistance zone here. I mean, you could play something like this right here, a little up to the upside. If you wanted to, I'm not going to play it. I'm going to wait on some kind of inversion. But we are closing above there now, so see if it just continues on up. But yeah, got a little gap here that I think we may come tap into. See something from there. 5 minute gap. See if we're gonna kind of reject from there. See what happens at that 5 minute bearish fair value gap. This is NQ. This music is some background music. What's the profit today? Just woke up. I just woke up, ain't placed any trades. I might not place any trades till New York session. I like to get up early, look at the charts, you know, kind of get acquainted, see how we're moving, and then I trade with the group in the New York session. But I kind of formulate a plan here. What up, T-Man? Yeah, I don't read the YouTube chat. You guys are losers. T-Man says, I see price going to 24,723 and then a potential drop towards the downside. What do you think? Bro doesn't read YouTube chat. Nope. I'm here to trade, buddy. All right, let's see. Let's do something fun here, man. Let's do something fun. Let's do something fun. There you go. You got a little goal now. What does EOD mean in Apex rules? So end of day. So the drawdown doesn't follow your like if you go in profit in a trade, it doesn't trail until the end of the day, whatever you're at the end of the day. What's your trading strategy? Fair value gaps and liquidity, man. Inversion fair value gaps are the entry model, but sometimes I'll take some discretion trades if something's super obvious. But I just use fair value gaps and liquidity. And then I like to enter on inversion fair value gaps. But like here, this is kind of price action that you don't want to enter on. See how it's real choppy like this? You'd rather enter on when it's moving good and straight. Good and straight, you get a move down like this, boom. This is like one of the best setups you're gonna get when it moves up like this, and then you get a little something like this. So it'll come up, it'll come down, it'll break that high one more time, and then boom, you'll get that inversion that really brings it down. And you'll have an inversion fair value gap right in here. And that's gonna be like one of your best setups. Let's see. So look, this was an inversion fair value gap. I'm sure there was one down here at the bottom. You got a good one right here. Super low. You get a 5-minute inversion to the upside. Close above there, runs up. Boom. Boom, boom. But yeah, I mean, any strategy really works. It just depends on how you trade it, you know? Like, I mean, here you got a breakout kind of trade. Let's see if it's gonna play out. You got this resistance, breaking out of resistance. Let's see if it's gonna play out. I mean, but it's also about kind of being smart. You got these highs up here. If we break these highs up here, you kind of probably want to go to break even or something, but let's see, man. You guys think we're gonna come fill the gap today on NASDAQ? Think we're coming up here to fill the gap? Gap fill up there. Who thinks we're gonna fill the gap? Meme Simulation said, I lost 50K because of you. I lost 10 million. Appreciate it, man. J1. Let's go, bro. I'm on the way. I'm on the way, bro. Appreciate that, Marcus. I mean, yeah, man. There are going to be people on here that fill my gap. Let's go, bro. Let's get it. Yeah, but I mean, you see, I'm saying like any strategy will work. You see it right now. So I mean, like if you're a support and resistance trader, you're making money right now. See, like I'm not a support and resistance trader, but you see it was previously a resistance. Look at all these wicks bouncing off, bodies holding it, Boom, this green candle closes above this, you know, resistance zone, and now it turns into a support. Bounces off of there, coming up. I mean, if I was in this trade, boom, at this high, I'd go to break even and or take some profits. And look, now it's tapping into this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So I mean, you see how I'm saying like any strategy will work. It depends on how you trade it. So like, look, right there, bounced off of that previous resistance. Now it turned it into a support coming up. Just tapped in, but I trade fair value gaps and liquidity. So we just tapped into this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So now I'm interested to see what's going to happen, right? We had this kind of accumulation zone. Is this going to break out to the upside? Is it going to tap into this 5-minute bearish and turn it around now to come down? Or is it just continuing up, and was this just a pullback, right? Was this just a pullback to come down, tap into this 30-minute bullish fair value gap? And now is it going to continue up to keep coming up and maybe come all the way up and fill this gap from the overnight session, right? That's what I'm sitting here waiting and watching, looking for, getting ready for the New York session, right? We're tapping into a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So let's see what's going to happen now at this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Going to be watching this gap here. See what happens right there. If it closes below here, you can probably take some nice shorts to the downside. If it closes below here. But it may not. It may just continue on up and then it won't have an entry, which is fine. You know, completely fine. Yo, what up, El Panita? What's up, bro? Sorry, the chat wasn't loading over here. I just refreshed. I'm seeing everybody's. What up, Greg? Trader 007. Yeah, let's have a good day, man. Kenny, I'm still here, bro. I'm still here in Savannah streaming for you guys. I'm streaming in Savannah right now. We're getting ready to leave, but we're gonna leave right after I trade with the group in the New York session. Scott, yeah, I might be a little quiet. My girlfriend's sleeping in the other room. Yeah, I might look a little tired, dude. My routine's off. Routine's off, bro. We've been up. We've been eating crazy. And I'm up way before this, but this morning I woke up kind of right before the stream, so might look a little tired. But hey, we still ready. We still ready. We still gonna catch it. But yeah, man, little tweener action last night on NQ here. You see we came down. If you look on the 4-hour time frame, right? In the 4-hour time frame, we came down, we swept this low over here. We swept this low, but we held this low right here. So we swept this low, held this low. That's called a tweener. When it comes down, sweeps one low and not the other, and then it bounces up. Little tweener play. Bang, bang. And let's see, is it gonna fill the gap? You see we got the gap down right there. It looks like the gap's a little higher, but I hopped over here to the 1 minute time frame, and on that 1 minute time frame, that gap is all the way up there at 24,658.75. You see there's the gap. Got it on the bottom of that candle. Gap fill. Bang, bang. And let's get it. Let's see what's happening here on this 5 minute bearish fair value gap. Is it going to give us an inverse? If this inverse is this big 1 minute bullish fair value gap, I think it can come down, but we'll just have to see if it's going to or not. It might not. It might just continue on up here. No, I'm not in nothing. I'm not in nothing. I mean, not in nothing right now. What up, Biblical? Let's go, bro. Hey, green is green, right? Green is green. Oh, let's go, bro. Appreciate it. Let's see, man. So, I mean, I did say I think it could continue to go up. I said if you're a support and resistance trader, there was a pretty nice, breakout here. I drew it right there, but I'm not a support and resistance trader really. So, but I did like these kind of longs right in here. So, you see, we had this big resistance right here. Boom, look at all the wicks. Rejecting, 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 rejecting. Right there, it closed above there. And I put the long position on the screen right there. And I said, probably at least come up here to this 5 minute bearish fair value gap, break these wicks up here. So, I mean, there was a little scalp play if you took that. I mean, not really a scalp, dude. It's still, I mean, I bet you that's a lot of points. Still. I mean, yeah, 28 points right there. Moving. Moving. Moving and grooving this morning. NASDAQ being volatile. What up, Adam Daz? What's going on, bro? Oh, yeah. We had a good time, bro. I'm ready to get back, though, because I've been eating like crap. I've been eating like crap, dude. But we did eat somewhere cool last night. Let me see if I can... Look at this. Let me see if I can show you. We ate at a place called the Old Pink House, dude. It was pretty sweet. The Old Pink House. You had to make reservations. They had this cool little, like, it looked like a speakeasy, dude. Like down in the, it was like a dark little bar area. I don't know if you can see that, but it was sweet. And it was in like this really old historic building thing. It was nice. But yeah, is today just gonna be one of those days we grind it up? I mean, in a minute 40 here, we might be inverting this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Dun, 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 dun. What do you think of the trees in the streets? Bro, they're crazy. They got like those gray things hanging down from them. There's a story of, supposedly it's hair or something. I don't know. Something crazy. Those trees are cool though. Nah, I'm not full porting CPI on Wednesday. If we get to 69 likes over there on the horizontal stream, we'll do a giveaway. How many we got over there? Not enough. Not enough. Know that. $18 likes, dude. We gotta get it to 69, bro. We gotta get it to 69 over there. Oh yeah, I'm talking about over there on the tube, if you know what I mean. On the tube, not on the top. Raheem, dude, been getting big payouts over there on Hypertix. You need to check them out. Check out Hypertix. We've been crushing it. We've been crushing it, dude. Is anybody in a trade right now? Anybody already in a trade? You caught longs from the bottom, man. That'd be a sweet. Sweet. All right, man. Let's see if we invert this 3-minute fair value gap, we probably coming it down. What time is New York session? It's in an hour. 1 hour. We had a, yeah. Also, dude, last night was, what is it, spring forward or whatever, so we lost an hour of sleep over here in the U.S. We lost an hour of sleep, so that may also be why I'm looking tired. But I got the McDonald's coffee here. We getting ready. Nah, man. No, the New York session's in 1 hour. It's in 1 hour because we lost an hour of sleep last night. So if you're not from the U.S. or you don't know about the spring forward, time shifted forward 1 hour last night when we were sleeping. So we lost an hour of sleep. So the New York session is in 1 hour today. Yeah, it's called Spanish moss trees, Kenny Ayers. They're not even Spanish, but Spanish moss. I mean, this would be kind of a play I would take if it came down here. If it inverted this gap here, kind of got some trend line liquidity going on. So, I mean, if it inverts it, I could see it running down at least to the bottom down here, possibly even lower, but if it doesn't close below there, then it'll keep on going up. Yeah, Kenny. Spanish moss is what they're called. Dude, I think today's going to be fun for sure, though, in the New York session. I think today's going to be a fun day to trade. We're going to probably catch a banger in the group, dude. I can just feel it. I can feel it in me bones. But yeah, man, I got a free PDF. If you want it, you can download it. If you're wondering about my strategy, I made a free PDF on it, so I don't have to keep explaining it. Just click the link in my bio. You can download it for free. But you see, like, the more it hangs around up here, the less I kind of like it, right? Because it's like making all these kind of highs. It makes me think that, hey, we could come take out these highs one more time. But we'll see. Just got a bunch of highs up here that I don't like to see. All these kind of stacked highs up there. But hey, if we close below there, maybe a decent trade. Don't look like it's gonna do it on this candle here though. 10 seconds. Ain't gonna get that close below there. Amin says we are bullish off that gap fill, bro. Possibly. W said long is valid, bro. Price reverse from major SSL sweep. Maybe. Maybe. But guess what? I'm not taking a trade till we close below there. If we close below this gap, then what are you gonna say? Bro, we just disrespected the bullish fair value gap. Oh my gosh, is my long still valid? We just disrespected my fair value gap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is my trade still valid? What up, the winner trader? What's up? Yeah, this is NQ. NASDAQ. Look at it. Who's saying longs, bro? You in some drawdown. You in some drawdown on the longs. I mean, it'd be something like this, but it's already taken that low out now. See, like, I would like to have gone, like, break even right there at that low. Like, if I got in this trade here, I would have liked to have been able to go break even right there at this first low right here. So, I mean, it did close below there. I wonder if it's going to run this whole thing down to the bottom now. Is the question. Is it gonna keep on running down? Did just take out this little low right here. Is it about to drop it, dude? Yeah. That's the door to the Airbnb, dude. It needs some WD-40. Thing needs some WD-40. Let's see if it's going to keep on dropping here. You kind of got some trend line liquidity to the downside. So let's see if it's going to run this kind of trend line liquidity down here. It didn't hit my limit order yet. I had a limit order sitting up there. But let's see if it's gonna continue down. See, like right there, I would have liked to have gone break even if I got in this trade. Would have been like best case scenario, like for the system. So like the inversion, you want to get in on a close below this fair value gap. So we got a bullish fair value gap, kind of looking to the downside. Once we close below there, I would have liked to get in a short, and then at this low, I would have liked to gone to break even, and then kind of just like let it ride down, kind of take some profit at some lows down here. But yeah, that's kind of the idea behind the system. So, I mean, that's kind of the strategy right there. So you can see this bullish fair value gap inversed. That means this bullish fair value gap got disrespected. So now, you know, the bears are kind of taking control. The bulls couldn't hold this bullish fair value gap. Closed below there, got some trend line liquidity. So then basically at this low right here, you could have went to break even. And then just basically at these lows, that's kind of where you take profit. So you got a low over here, you got a low right here on the bottom of this candle where you can kind of take some profits. And then yeah, man, I mean, just take your profits along the way as it starts to come down and at these lows, and that's kind of how you trade the inversions. And then basically either this low down here or all the way down here, somewhere in those areas, you know, take your full profits. But see it coming down. Yeah, but that's just kind of an example of how I trade the inversion fair value gaps. You see, I put it on there. I said wait on a closure below. I mean, yeah, once it already hits that break even spot, it's kind of too late to enter. So because that break even spot, that first low, is gonna be like your first target. So like once it hits this first low, there's always a chance that it could reverse back to the upside. So that's why you kind of want to get in before it hits this first low. Because once it closes below there, its only target really is the first low. Once it hits that first low, it could just reverse back up, right? So, I mean, yeah, we have an idea of it coming back down here, but once it takes out this first low, it could always reverse back to the upside. So you'd rather get in before it takes out the first low. That way, when it hits that first low, you can move to break even, and if it does reverse, then you're clear anyway. You're just a break even trade. You don't lose anything. Right? I mean, I was gonna wait on it on this one, but nah, I usually don't wait on a retest. It depends on how. I mean, it depends on the situation. You gotta kind of all take that into account. How far away is it from the inversion? You know, how much are you risking? Nah, I didn't take it. I didn't take it, and I just explained why. It already hit that break even. I mean, I had a limit order sitting up there, but it didn't get tagged in. But this is just an example, right? We have some nice LRLR coming up. So I said it would probably run down because of this LRLR. So this is trend line liquidity. Once it starts running these lows, it kind of runs each one pretty quickly. Right? So I mean, it could possibly run this full LRLR to the bottom. So that's kind of the idea. I'm just showing you an example of my strategy. If you want to download a PDF, you can download it for free. I made a PDF that explains my strategy. You just click the link in my bio. You can download it for free. How many likes we got over there on YouTube, man? If we get 69 likes on YouTube, we'll do a giveaway. You only got 26 right now, so looks like we're not going to be doing a giveaway today. But keep in mind, anytime we get 69 likes on YouTube, we're going to be doing a giveaway. But yeah, man, that's kind of it. I mean, this one was invalid, so I didn't take it because it already hit that low. But this is just kind of a good example. Kind of a good example to show you of it working out. I mean, and like I said, we already tagged these lows down here, so it doesn't have to run the full move, but you got that first TP right there, and then you could leave a runner all the way to the bottom of this move down here. Carolina. No, I didn't enter. I just called it out. What do we react off? It inverted that bullish fair value gap. It inverted the bullish fair value gap, and we had trend line liquidity to the downside. Yeah, this is NASDAQ. What up, Three Brothers Roofing Company? What's up, bro? Daily News said, I think sell off to 24K. Nah, Dylan. It just depends. It depends, man. Depends on if the setup's good or not. This was a pretty good setup to the downside because of the trend line. It all depends on the situations, man. Right? Trend line liquidity to the downside. We already made a big bounce up, right? This is a big bounce up from last night. And you see we had this kind of consolidation here, right? I mean, look at the consolidation. we started to kind of grind it up. We had one big pop to break above this consolidation, and then boom. It's kind of like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So like accumulation, manipulated to the upside, and then boom, we inverted this bullish fair value gap. So now we're clear to come down to the bottom of this kind of accumulation zone. Also, it had trend line liquidity, so can run that trend line liquidity pretty quickly to the downside, and bang. PO3, AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, playing out. But I got a free PDF. If you want it, you can click the link in my bio and download and learn about the strategy I use. I made it for you for free. But 69 likes on YouTube, and we'll do a giveaway. We got 35. Anytime we get 69 likes over there on YouTube, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So what up, the winner trader? What's going on, bro? Ender Gaming said, are you in this trade? Nah, I'm not in it. Not in it. There it is, coming down to run the bottom of this LR. There it goes. That's kind of a nice trade example for you. Ba-dum-bum. Let's see. What's everybody saying? How many likes we got? 36 likes. Anytime we get 69, we'll do a giveaway for a prop firm account. What pair are you trading on? NQ. This is NASDAQ. NQ. What are your charge settings? What do you mean? Colors? Dylan says, surely longs toward that new week opening gap. I mean, possibly, dude, but you got to think, like, yeah, we could close it, but, like, a lot of the times when we tap into the gap, it kind of acts as a fair value gap. So look, we tapped into the gap, starting to come down a bit. So I mean, we could come down, tap somewhere lower, and then continue up, right? But yeah, I mean, usually gaps get filled. So let's see if it's gonna go get filled or not. Yeah, man, but we did not quite make the like goal today. 38 likes. If we ever get to 69 likes on the YouTube stream, then we'll do a giveaway. Can I repeat what I said about filling the gaps? Yeah. I mean, the gaps act like fair value gaps. So like you can see, we got a big old wide open gap. We came up, tapped into the gap, and it's acting as a bearish fair value gap. So we tapped it, we're kind of rejecting down. I mean, most of the time the gaps do eventually get filled, but it could tap into the gap, kind of pull back, and then continue up, right? They act as fair value gaps. So it could tap it, pull back, I don't know how far down, but it could pull back and then continue on up to go fill the gap. But you can see we played this move to the downside. Well, I called it out. I didn't take it, but didn't take it. But I said it would probably run this trend line liquid. I didn't take it just because it wasn't perfect. It was almost perfect, but it wasn't perfect because it already took out this first low by the time this candle closed below the gap. Already took out this low down here before the candle closed. So, yeah, good trade, but it wasn't perfect. If it sweeps the bottom, would you look for the same move back up off a fair value gap? I mean, it all depends on the situation. Depends on your bias. If you're bullish, then yeah, you could look for that. Now, like in this situation, I would look for it to kind of run a bit lower. Yeah, I see this gap. I mean, possibly you could tap this gap and go back up. But I mean, if you look, we kind of have some more kind of trend line liquidity to the upside. So, I mean, if it starts to run down, it could run all the way kind of down here. So it's either going to bounce kind of in this area or it's going to run all the way down here. So, I mean, you just kind of watch and see what happens. It's either going to bounce down here or it's going to run all the way down to like 24,200s. Let's see, man. 45 likes. We getting close. We get to 69 likes on the YouTube, man. We're going to be doing a giveaway. But I'm about to get off today. I'll be back tomorrow. And yeah, I'm live every morning for the pre-market. About to get ready to go trade with the group. We're going to catch a trade. And yeah, we're going to bank it out. Bank some profits. We're going to bank it. Caffeine, I trade for free every day in the pre-market for an hour. And then I trade New York session with the Discord. The Discord's free if you want to join. And you can download my free PDF of my strategy. I made a PDF. You can download it for free. Yeah, man. Use code SLADE on all prop firms. Check out Hypertix. They're running really good sale over there. I've been banking with Hypertix. Got a $10,500 payout with Hypertix, and last week I got an $8,400 payout with Hypertix. So been killing it with Hypertix. Check them out. Check them out. Is the live on the Discord free, bro? No, it's not free. Not all countries can download the PDF. Yeah, I know it. I know it. And like some WAP, they don't let like the countries who scam download it. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'll figure out another way for people to download it if you can't. But yeah, dudes, I'm about to head off of here. Hope you guys have a good day. If you want to trade with me, you can trade live with me for free for 7 days in the New York session. But hope everybody has a good day. I'll be back tomorrow. If we get to 69 likes on YouTube ever, then I'll do a giveaway. So tomorrow, that's kind of your goal. Get to 69 likes over there on YouTube and we'll do a giveaway. All right. Hope everybody has a great day. I'm about to play a little outro and get out of here. See ya. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high, on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold. Every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every blade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Ain't no of those trading gold. Candlestick red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Trades by Slade on the screen. Money flowing like a